If you're sending consultants to work in Canada, chances are you're already required to collect and remit our national sales tax, the GST. But note there are de minimis rules here to protect you. What a hornet's nest, eh? Well, lucky for you, that's what I'm here for. Because you're right, the rules are circuitous, and it's often a puzzle to determine which of our tax laws will apply to you. And you know what? You shouldn't even have to know, because the reality is there are too many combinations and permutations of ways that can cause your U.S. consulting business to be required to file and possibly pay tax up here. And if you're late filing, then you got penalties, even with a nil return. Between you and me, I see this shit a lot. Case in point, I constantly have foreign consulting companies coming to me not knowing their corporations have to file here in Canada. I hear BS like, I don't have an office in Canada, so I thought I don't have to file. Wrong. Or, I thought the treaty said I don't need to pay tax in Canada, so I thought I didn't need to file. Wrong again, my friend. The reason I call this BS is that the laws are exactly the same for you in the USA. Meaning, if I had a Canadian consulting firm that was sending staff to your US of A, I must file a return with the IRS. Right? So the rule is exactly the same for you up here in Canada. If your US consultants come to Canada, you have to file a Canadian tax return. Moreover, I have said it before and I'll say it again. If you use the Canada-US treaty to get you out of paying taxes up here, you must file a return and inform the CRA that you're using the treaty to not pay, just like you're required to do in the USA. So if your US CPA tells you, I didn't know you had to file in Canada, I'm telling you right now that excuse will not get you out of penalties up here. So what do we do about this? Well, the short answer is you're too busy running your business to do anything. And you can't be expected to be an expert in your business and mine, right? The only thing you can know is that when your firm starts talking to Canada, give me a call. And if you're already talking to Canadian clients, call me faster. I will add clarity to your chaos. I'll streamline your tax compliance, and I will make it so you can forget about your tax problems and focus on your business.